हो गया?
हाँ, so we'll
अरे
start
सिंह
now.
गले को क्या हुआ?
नहीं, just a ठसका लग गया और कुछ नहीं. Okay. So what I was saying was basically this chart which I've shared with you all, make a similar one for the 12 houses also, because in this Lal Kitab thing, everything revolves around houses and planets. Okay, there is no mention of nakshatra as far as I know, and very limited reference to rashis. Okay, so the I would say 95% of the entire ball game is with the planets and the lesser extent to the houses. So understanding the karak of the houses or the signification of the houses and planets is most important if we have to understand the, because it is one planet in conjunction with another planet or planets, and how they sort of behave, and because of that behavior whatever good or bad is happening and how you rectify it. So basically these karak tattva as they come up, just keep filling them over here. Up till now whatever I've done, I've shared it on the group. I've shared it on the group. If it is not legible, let me know. But what I would suggest is each one of you make a sheet like this. Okay, if Dilip I've said, Arinda I've put it on the group also. So basically, I don't know whether you can see. So Jupiter and then so Jupiter is Hawa, Sas, Gold, all that will come into Kismat, like that. So you keep on writing over there. Then certain objects will come up. Like gold is Jupiter, you know. So then you can write that. So then like mercury hare sabut ka dal is there. So you know when we use these materials, like if you say hare sabut ka dal तांबे के लोटे में डाल के बहते हुए पानी में छोड़ना है, तो what we are doing is we have mercury and sun, तांबा is sun, तो उसको एक साथ करके बंद करके जल प्रवाह करने में that is moon, तो उसको शांत करने के लिए. So you know if you don't understand the significance behind that, you will just be doing it blindly को हाँ साबुत बोला इसमें डाला ये करेगा, and then tomorrow when you are actually predicting or analyzing or giving the predictions or the remedies, you will just be doing it blindly and then it might not work. So what I've understood out of this is that you have to understand the karaka. These sheets are going to be your saviors. Okay, so I have just started writing this down. Tonight most probably I will जितना अब तक हुआ उतना I will fill in all this and I will give you the copy. You all take, then from that onwards whenever we say something उसमें उसमें लिखते जाओ. That is all. Okay, and then maybe at a little later stage, I don't know at what stage, we'll actually categorize it into symptoms, like symptomatic thing, the karaks, the remedies, so on and so forth. You know, and then when we compile it into a book, that would be the real, I would say, manual of Lal Kitab, so to say. You can't call it Lal Kitab, it will be a manual of Lal Kitab. Because Lal Kitab, it is said very clearly in all the discourses that it has been written in a very haphazard manner. Everyone has said that. Everyone very proudly they say कि the first chapter का some part of it you might find in the 800th page, which is the last chapter. बीच बीच में suddenly remedies इधर 3-4 का आएगा, उधर 5-6 का, इधर 8-10 का आएगा. I don't know why somebody has not taken the efforts to put it all together. Okay, that is a little funny thing because people have interpreted it, people have translated it, people have written books on it, but nobody has bothered to make it categorically. And frankly speaking, if it is haphazard like that, मेरे को तो नहीं जमेगा. And most people, I think, will get confused because suddenly something will come up. So we will make it in a categorized manner. That is all I'm saying. Okay. So I think everyone is in. Let us start. Okay. Now, I'm just putting you all on mute. If you need anything, just unmute yourself. Now, I have sent you a sort of a syllabus, which till now I have sort of come across. Okay. And you have to understand one thing very clearly that I am actually almost on par with you all only, maybe just one step ahead. So if I don't know anything, I will very clearly tell you I don't understand rather than thinking ये ऐसा होगा, because I don't want to do that and goof up everything. So if I don't know anything, I'll tell you clearly I don't know anything, but I'll research on it and then I will answer that question. Okay, so ये general एक thumb rule रख देते हैं as far as Lal Kitab is concerned. Okay, now if you go through all this now, I'm just going to go through it very fast and wherever I need, I will tell you. Like aspects, we have got the 30, 60, 90, 180, 150 aspects. Here there are various types of aspects. So ऊपर का जो paragraph which I've written are all only aspects. Like there are 100% aspect, 50% aspect, 25% aspect. मैंने सब लिख के दिया है. I've given all that in that notes. So that is there. उल्टी दृष्टि है. Like 8 to second का एक उल्टी दृष्टि है. 6 to second का only Saturn का उल्टी दृष्टि है. So these are like specifics. There are no these things. Saturn, only Saturn from the 6th house can hit the second house. Otherwise, what they say is पहले का घर and बाद का घर. The former houses 1 to 6 and 7 to 12 are the बाद का घर latter houses. And they always say that first two latter hit होते हैं. Now I don't understand if all your planets are in the second one, then what happens? So anyways, so basically this is the thing. Ulti drishti I've written over there. Then second, after that I've written pehle and baad ka ghar. Then there is something like a fifth aspect. Fifth aspect is actually our 120 degrees. So they say that every planet takes help from the fifth planet before it. So that is 30, 60, 90, 120. It is 120 ka drishti. Anyway, that is another thing. Then uske another 10th drishti from self. There is something like that. Aam drishti, there is something like Aam drishti is our seventh sattva aspect. Okay, I'm just going very fast because this will take up in due course. अचानक चोट का एक दृष्टि है, then मंगल की मिलावट है and बुध का मिलावट है. These are the 8, 10, 12 aspects which I have come across till now. Okay, and as we go along, we keep on adding to it. Then उसके बाद में there are different types of kundalis. Okay, so basically by looking at a kundali and if any of these are the the permutation combinations in that, then basically it comes under that category. So basically there is Andhe, Adhe Andhi Kundli. Okay, Adhe Andhe Kundli, Raat Andhi bolte. So I'll just tell you very roughly just for the heck of it, because if Sun is in the 4th house and Saturn is in the 7th house, what they say is 7th se leke 4th tak, the entire thing is governed by Saturn and Sun just rules 4th, 5th, 6th. So what they're saying is more than 75% of your Kundali is run by Saturn, which is Raat. Raat ko Saturn bolte. Raat, night 8 o'clock से लेके morning 4 o'clock is basically Saturn. There are some, I'll tell you, it starts with Jupiter and ends with Saturn. So that if Saturn is in the 7th house and Sun is in the 4th house, this entire 75% of quadrant is ruled by Saturn, which is Raat. And this 1/4 quadrant is by Sun. So anyway, I don't want to push much into this. I'm just touching the syllabus like that. Then there is Andhe Graho Ka Kundli, which is blind this thing. That is related to the 10th house that will come to later. Bil Mukabil Kundli, there is another thing called that. Sati Graho Ka, and companion Kundli, there is something like that. Dharmi Graho Ka Kundli, there is something like that. Soya Hua Ghar and Soya Hua Graha, that is there. Planet activation ka periods hai. It is something like a Vimshotri Dasha, but different. Here they believe in 35 years ka slots. Okay. Then which planet you use to activate a specific house? If a house is dormant, soya hua ghar, then which one you use to activate it? Soya hua graha, to uske liye kya karte hain? That way. Then Masnui graha, like what I told you, that one planet is represented by 2 planets. So that is Masnui graha. Okay, that is there. Then status of a planet in various houses, whether it is good in this house, bad in that way. Then there's Pitru ring, which I told you. And what we are going to be doing today are the 4 different slots which a planet can be placed in each house, which is Uch, Neech, Swarashi and Pakkakar. So we'll be doing that today. So this, as far as I'm concerned, this is what I've been exposed to so far. And this took, what I wrote over the 16 hours I wrote, because it is 1 month, 4 turns ka 2 hours, 4 to the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 to 14 hours it took. But ज़्यादा time pass ज़्यादा होता है. We'll finish it off in actually 3 to 4 turns only. Because it is very simple. Once you understand it, you have to implement it. Unnecessary बात करते बैठने में कुछ मतलब नहीं. Okay. So should we start today this thing? Anything you want to ask on this, just now you can ask, or I will start off on the thing. Just put thumbs up or unmute, whatever. Are you okay? Okay, sure. So today what we'll do, Bobby, you want to ask something? Unmute yourself, unmute yourself. Bobby, you'll have to unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. You're on mute. Bobby, you're on mute.
I asked you yesterday in Lal.
You lost it. Wait. Signals are bad.
Whether time is an essence or time is not calculated at all. Can you hear me?
No, say it again. We lost half part of it. Say it again.
Achha, I was asking yesterday whether time is an essence in Lal Kitab.
The time of birth?
Yeah.
No, even if you don't know your time of birth, date of birth, place of birth, your name also still Lal Kitab Kundali can be drawn based on your hand and your face.
Oh, acha, acha, acha.
Yeah, that is the best part of it. But that is,
Mm-hmm.
I think, much further advanced where you have to understand how the palm works, how the face
Mm-hmm.
works, how the body language
Okay.
works,
Okay.
and you can make your kundi. One very important part of Lal Kitab which I expressed yesterday was that, which was my main concern, like I told you, if your time of birth is wrong, your entire bloody damn thing is gone wrong. So here, by just
Mm.
asking a few questions, you can actually, get the answer to it. Like very simply, um, like for example, Mars in sixth house. If somebody's house is in, I was just researching today, so I got this one. So Mars in sixth house, Sun is extremely good, okay, but Ketu turns out to be bad. So sixth house is basically mama, and Ketu, which is debilitated over there, is child. So basically, it says that मामा के child को कुछ problem है कि मामा के child के वजह से मामा को problem है. So if you ask this to that guy कि तुम्हारे मामा को कुछ problem है because of the child, और मामा के child को कुछ problem handicap ऐसा कुछ है क्या? If he says yes, that means that Mars sixth, it is a rule. May most of all these things ना I call it पत्थर पे लकीर. मार्च 6 है तो ये होना ही होना है. So basically मार्च 6 में सन इज उच्च, केतु is नीच, and mercury is नीच. So mercury नीच, mercury in a person's life, other than the mother and the wife, all others come into mercury. The daughter comes into mercury, the maushi comes, the atya comes, the sali comes, all that comes in mercury. So what they say is, there are 7 or 8 types of mercury, right from your ननद हो सकती है, या साली हो सकती है, your sister हो सकती है, your बेटी हो सकती है, your अत्या हो सकती है, your बुआ हो सकती है, what all. So they just say that father, sister, mother, sister, and your daughter and your sister. ये चार को पहले पकड़ लो कि इनमें से किसी को कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्या, like that. So anyways, that is another story. So Bobby, that answers your question, and
Sure.
you don't need anything actually. If you just have that
Okay.
fellow's hand in front of you and a face. In fact, most of these experts, or what I've understood of it, just by the way you talk, you walk, and you look at me also, you'll be able to tell कि बस तुम्हारा मंगल बद है, या तुम्हारा ये है, या वो है. That is why I got so excited about all this. And like there are rules like this. I have written all this. I will put it in proper form and give it to you. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand what I have written. So all this I've written everything. So इसमें का कैसे है कि if this is there, this will happen. If this is there, this will happen. Finish. It's like a complete formula. There is no this thing. But to
Mm-hmm.
understand the essence of the formula is important. Others you just be rutting it out, like by hearting Popat jaisa, which is not there. Okay. Should I go ahead? Okay. So,
Yeah.
Rashmi, unmute yourself, Rashmi. Rashmi, you have to unmute yourself.
Manish,
हाँ.
yesterday you were giving an example wherein like किसी ने गले में माला पहना है और so I think वो कुछ बोला है मुझे. हाँ.
Don't get into that. Basically, Gala is Jupiter. Mala, round Mala ka beads is Mercury. So Jupiter and Mercury, there is an enmity over there. So वो करने से, I had just given an example. It might have aspected the fifth house. So fifth house is of the child, and child ka, let us say Saturn is there. So Saturn relates to legs. So this just came to my mind and I said it. It is actually correct. Like Jupiter is Gala, Mala is Mercury. So Mercury गले में डाल, Mercury मुझे मोती का ये गले में डाल दिया. So वो क्या हो गया? Enemies है. Like I said, Mercury is glass. हवा is Jupiter. हवा आ जाएगी तो कांच को फोड़ देता है. So Mercury considers Jupiter as enemy. ऐसा था. So it was just a story.
But then वो आप fifth house पे कैसे उसको relate किया था?
I was just giving a
Okay.
picture.
ठीक.
ऐसे कर सकते. Fifth house पे क्योंकि suppose it is aspecting, both of them are together. Jupiter and Mercury are together and aspecting the fifth house by 180 degrees, and उधर Saturn बैठा है. Like that. Don't get into that.
ठीक है.
Just off the cuff set. Okay. So now today what we are going to do, actually all this is also needed to be done before, but I feel understanding the chart is more important. That's why I thought of starting with what I had said here. Now first, what is a basic Lal Kitab Kundali? Okay. It is in very simple words. It is your Rashi chart without the Rashis. वो 1, 2, 3, 4 number निकाल दो. And first house, first Rashi करके लिख दो. So whether your ascendant is 6 or 8 or 12 or whatever it is, 1. Your ascendant is also 1, my ascendant is also 1. Simple. Your planets will remain where they are. You are not touching the planets. You are not touching the houses. You are removing the rashis. Simple. This is your thing. So basically, if you know all these once we know all these formulas or what they call tools, this is called grammar. Vyakaran bolte hain. Lal Kitab Vyakaran, Lal Kitab grammar. So once you understand this grammar, basically the language of Lal Kitab, if you just have that Rashi chart in front of you, you'll be able to start talking like a poet. Tumhara aisa hai, waisa, ye, wo, aisa, ye, da. Which is the fun of Lal Kitab, which is what got me excited. Okay. So now, firstly, that we have understood that the Lal Kitab Kundi is a Rashi Kundi, sans the Rashis. First house is always Aries 1 for everyone. Okay. Your planets sit where they are. Now, a planet in any house can basically come under 4 slots. Uch, that is exalted, Neech, and debilitated, Swarashi, and Pakka Ghar. Okay. I had explained this yesterday, but I'll again explain this more elaborate way. Swarashi, to we all know. We are champions at that. बरोबर म्हणजे 1 equal to Mars equal to 8, 2 equal to Venus equal to 7, वो तो अपना by heart ही है. So if let us say in 9th house Jupiter is there, तो वो स्व राशि में हो गया, तो that we know by heart. So that's स्व राशि out. Now Pakka Ghar, in very simple words, what I can sort of explain is it is a significator of the house, which we have not done ever in Parashara. We have got significator for planets, we have got significators for objects, everything, but house का significator कभी नहीं लिया था. So each house has a significator, which is called वो ग्रह का पक्का घर. So in simple words, in a specific house, a specific planet will be in its pakka ghar. It is like saying, "ये मेरे हक का घर है," something like that. Okay, but the right way of looking at it would be significator. Each house has one significator, or sometimes it has 2 significators. That is it. Now, by heart, let's keep that aside. Now, Uch and Neech, I told you yesterday that I will tell you. Uch and Neech is basically that if you go, if in a society something, you go to some people's house, they will make you feel like God. Arey, aao, baito, chai lo, ye lo, mithai lo, kaise ho, kuch karke do, what like that. Or some places they will just open that grill ka door and ask you, हाँ क्या चाहिए. So in that house, you are considered as Uch, or in some houses you are considered as Neech. So obviously, if you are in a Uch ka house, you will give better results. If you are in a Neech ka house, you will refrain from giving the results now. If you go to some place where they treat you like God, you will be more than happy to help them and ask them, what can I do for you? Take this, I have got this from the market, ye lo, do suffer tum rakh lo, like that. And when you are in a Neech ka house, you will say, oh, suffer चाहिए बोला तो ये सड़ेला ये ले लो, that sort of thing. That is Uch, Neech, Pakka Ghar, and Swarashi. There are lots of things that you have to memorize. So as we are going along, I'm putting all of them into one template. तो by heart तो करेंगे ही, but start the analysis immediately. तो उधर देखिए, if you want to know Uch, Neech, tak, it is there. So now I'll share with you the actual chart. Can all of you see this? Okay. Now just look at this Kundali. Don't look at the right side things. We will go to that later on. Now, if you can see my cursor, you all can see my cursor move it. Okay. So what I have planned as a template is, we just need the Rashi chart, correct? So kisi ka Rashi chart will have to be put here, either copy pasted over here, or you just have to write the 9 planets, which just doesn't take even a minute. So you will be filling in the 9 planets over here when you start the analysis. Okay. Now, ये घर में जो भी planet बैठा है, उसका क्या status है? Is it Uch? Is it Neech? Is it P for Pakka or PQR, R for Rashi? So P comes first, इसलिए मैंने पक्का घर इधर रखा है. R for Rashi, स्व राशि, that's why आगे आता है. Uch obviously ऊपर ही रहेगा, Neech obviously नीचे रहेगा. P, R, पक्का घर, राशि. समझा? So basically, if I have to go very fast through all this, I will just read all of them. In the first house, Sun is Uch ka, Saturn is Neech ka, Sun का पक्का घर है, Mars का स्व राशि है. दूसरे इसमें मून उच्च का है, कोई नीच का नहीं है, जुपिटर का पक्का घर है, वीनस का स्वराशि है. Okay, so on and so forth. If there's something I'll tell you, like for example, 6th house, Mercury and Rahu are उच्च का, Venus and Ketu are नीच का, केतु का पक्का घर है, Mercury का स्वराशि. Have you understood? It's as simple as that. So basically 4 tables I put into one and you get it in one shot. So let us say for example, if Mars is seated here in the 4th house, Mars का क्या status है? नीचे. So Mars will give a bad result in the 4th house, let us say. You look here and you say, let us say Jupiter is seated here. So Jupiter का पक्का घर भी है, Jupiter का स्वराशि पर, it will give very good results over there. You understand? Now suppose Jupiter is seated here again. Jupiter here is in the पक्का घर. So that is the thing. This is all that we are doing for step 1. Okay. So those 22 charts which are given you. Okay. We'll have to now think how each person can do their own way if you want or whatever it is. You can just take out a printout of those sheets. Okay. And actually, what I would have wanted to do is something like this one. Let me just try something. Just let me try something. Are you able to see this? What I've stuck on this now? दिख रहा है ना? So basically I was thinking ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए that this one comes on and then you see अभी Venus इधर क्या है? So suppose let us say you are looking at this chart and suppose these बाजू का things are not there. Venus second house में बैठा है. अभी Venus का इधर position क्या है? उच्च है, नीचे है, पक्का है, स्वराशि है, we don't know. स्वराशि चल ठीक है मालूम पड़ जाएगा. अभी Mars इधर है. Mars का क्या है? पक्का घर है. इधर मर्क्यूरी एंड सन बैठा है. मर्क्यूरी का क्या है? इधर कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. सन का कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. बट मर्क्यूरी एंड सन टुगेदर, डू दे मेक एनीथिंग? डू दे मेक एनीथिंग? डू दे मेक एनीथिंग? हाँ, मर्क्यूरी एंड सन मेक्स मार्स नेक. सी हियर, मार्स Mars, Mercury and Sun. Can you see this? These are the Masnui Graha. These two constitute this. So this is a little advanced. So abhi, let's not break our head on that. Don't break our head on that. So just now for the time being,
it looks written positive there.
Positive is Uch, Mangal Nek. Mangal Nek and Mangal Pad. See, Mercury and Sun and Mercury are together. Actually, एक ध्यान में रखो, Mercury always latches on to Sun. In any damn chart that you see, Mercury will be either with Sun or one house आगे या one house पीछे. In any chart, that is like a thumb rule. जैसे राहु केतु और 180 degrees. Okay, so Mercury always latches on to Sun. So this is a little advanced. अभी इसमें मत जाओ. Don't go into मसनवी. I just wanted to show you. But anyway, so Mercury Sun इधर नहीं है, तो Mercury Sun दोनों ना ऊंचे नीचे, ना पक्का घर है, ना स्वराशि. अभी इधर देखो जुपिटर आओ, जुपिटर का पक्का घर है. So Jupiter is good. अभी राहु का क्या इधर? कुछ नहीं status. So this is the way एक चार्ट करके we have to get used to understanding कि okay ये उच्च का, ये नीच का, ये उच्च का, ये नीच का. Because we are now at the moment for a couple of weeks maybe, we are just trying to sort of absorb the system. Okay, and very clearly these people have said in the base level what we are doing, which is the grammar part उसको बोलते हैं. You know, understanding the grammar is very important. We are understanding how to talk this language. So we are not making sentences. Neither are we having a debate over here. We are just understanding the ABCD and how to string it together. Okay. Now, so the basic exercise what we have to do for the next 1 week or whatever is, take those 22 charts one by one and उसका एक ग्रह ले लो. So 9 ग्रह will have, बराबर ना? And वो घर में उसका क्या status है वो देखो. You understand? This chart I will explain later. I don't want you all to get confused with that. So in very simple words, those I have given you one chart of 1 to 12 and another one A, B, C, D, F, G, H, whatever those 10 of them. नहीं, 11 of them I think. बराबर ना? एक में नहीं, 8 कितने? हाँ, एक 12
है
और एक में 12 है. Correct. So 12 वाले जो है उसमें 1 2 3 4 लिखा है. एंड 10 वाला है वो ABCD लिखा है.
नहीं 10 वाले में नंबर्स लिखे हैं और 12 वाले में ABCD लिखा है.
whatever it is. So 10 वाला जो है that is the group वाला thing. 12 वाला that is my other cases का जो है. Okay. So it doesn't matter. It, frankly speaking, doesn't matter because we are not going to talk about a person. किसका चार्ट है अपने को कुछ लेना देना नहीं. We just want to understand it. So take out a print. Like Bobby or Shruti, you're taking the print. Just show that. So if you just show the print. So if you take a print like this and keep by the side, okay. So you keep the template. Main thing the template का एक chart निकाल के print निकाल के रख दो. हाँ, like this, correct. Like this template, black and white भी चलेगा for the time being. So then just see इसमें ये just make a mental note. You don't have to do anything. Or write with a paper, write with pencil or something and erase it off. It is just practice, nothing else. Okay. That is all I feel. For the time being, we should get the hang of it. Okay. Then what we'll do is one by one, I will take you through all that syllabus which I've written over there. Okay. They're very simple things like I don't know how many points are there. That it seems like around 25 to 30 points lag raha idhar. So every turn we'll take 4 to 5 of them, or maybe 6 of them. Because it is just understanding. ये है तो ये है, बस उसमें और कोई debate नहीं. There is no debate in लाल किताब. It's not this or that. It's this one. बस that's all that there is to it. What do you want to ask anything? I said half an hour बरोबर 30 minutes का टाइम करने पर दिया.
Manish, I think I don't know. I mean, I think वो जो पहला वो है ना, see you said कि ये उच्च नीच ये वो, but then how did you identified it? Like in that screen, you have mentioned it, right? उच्च है, नीच है. So for example, I want to do my horoscope in this.
Correct.
So how will I do? How will I know ये उच्च का है, नीच का है?
I'll share the screen.
मतलब I don't know. वो मैंने निकाल लिया सब. But how will I do?
Let us say this is your chart, जो भी है वो.
ठीक
जो
है.
बीच में दिख रहा है तुम्हारा chart. Okay. Now, how many planets are there in your chart? 9.
9.
9 planets का status in that house where they are seated is what you need to find out. So let us say moon इधर है. कौन से हाउस में है? 8वें हाउस में. 8वें हाउस का इधर है, 7वें का इधर है, 6ठे का इधर है, 9वें का, 10वें, 11 like that you can understand. So 8वें के घर में मून का ये समझो नीचे का देखो ही नहीं. And I will just ask you, मून का ये 8वें घर में स्टेटस क्या है? ऊंचे नीचे पक्का है कि स्वराशि है? अभी वो बाय हार्ट करने तक 2-3 साल निकल जाएंगे. इधर फट करके देखो ना नीचे 8वें घर में इसका हियर यू सी उच्च नीच पक्का राशि. आई गिव द नोमेनक्लेचर हियर आल्सो. सो मून इन द 8th हाउस इज ऑलवेज नीच. सो वो नीच का मुझे इट विल नॉट गिव गुड रिजल्ट्स.
पर मनीष एक मिनट, सपोज 8th हाउस में नहीं है किसी के, सपोज ये आपने जो दिया है, फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम टेलिंग यू, हाँ, फॉर एग्जांपल 8th हाउस ओनली वी हैव, सो यू हैव मेंशन ओनली मार्स, सैटर्न, मून एंड मार्स, राइट? पर इसके अलावा कोई यदि प्लैनेट होगा तो
that is what I'm saying. Then you have to understand मसनूई ग्रह क्या है. Then you have to understand some other component. That's why I'm saying go step by step.
ओके.
See, for example, Mars.
सपोज यदि किसी केस में यहाँ पे ये के अलावा कोई और प्लैनेट है तो फिर वो हॉरोस्कोप कंप्लीट नहीं बनेगा ना हमसे. We won't be able to complete that horoscope. समझो यहाँ पर सन है 8th हाउस में, बट यू हैव नॉट मेंशन कि सन यहाँ पर होगा तो उच्च नीच क्या है. देन
sun इधर ऊपर दिया. Now that's why I said I will tell you step by step. You're jumping actually. I will tell you. See, sun जो है ना, I will tell you. Sun is equal to Mercury plus Venus. अभी sun इसमें किधर 8th हाउस में. Now all of you pay attention. Actually I am jumping almost like 4 lectures ahead to tell you this. Yeah, अभी let us say 8th हाउस में you are saying sun is there. अभी sun ऊंच नीच पक्का राशि में किधर भी नहीं है. तो go to मसनूई ग्रह. sun का मसनूई ग्रह is what? Mercury Venus. Mercury Venus इसमें कुछ है क्या? वो भी नहीं इसमें.
नहीं.
नहीं तो suppose let us say Mercury was here and Venus was here, then you would have said okay Mercury यहाँ पक्के घर का है, Venus यहाँ नीच का है. So plus and minus करके वो neutralize हो जाएगा. Something like that. तो यहाँ तक मेरे को मालूम है. अभी इधर भी नहीं है और इधर भी नहीं है, तो आगे किधर आएगा मेरे को नहीं मालूम.
Okay.
Understand? So
okay.
In simple एक basically for all of you just understand. Let us go step by step because I am also just 1 month and 1 term deep in this. So I have read a lot ahead, but I don't want to open my mouth just now because unless I'm totally confident, I will not open my mouth. Yes. I will fool myself and I will fool you also. So as of now, I just want you to understand that when we see a planet, as of now ये 4 कैटेगरीज के इसमें बैठते हैं कि नहीं बैठते, बैठता है तो ठीक है, नहीं बैठते है तो नहीं बैठते, वो आगे
ठीक
देखो।
है, ओके,
सुजाता मैम
डन।
Like a particular planet, can it be both, like in this horoscope that you've drawn for us, uh, in the first house, sun is Unch as well as in its Pakka house. असं होऊ शकतं का एका
आहे ना
प्लॅनेटचं
तिकडे.
दोन ठिकाणी? हा, तसंच
आहे.
असतं. हो,
नहीं तसं असतं ना, इट इज देयर इन मेनी प्लेसेस लाइक जस्ट नाउ आल्सो व्हिच रश्मि सेड एक कोई तो भी था ना, दोनों सेम था।
हा,
लाइक फर्स्ट हाउस आई नो बाय हार्ट, द सन इज उच एंड सन इज आल्सो पक्का कर।
या.
So if your sun is
So one single planet can have two
Yeah.
situations, you can
yes,
say.
yes, yes.
Okay.
And those two situations just now you are understanding because I have composed it together. Otherwise,
Yes.
they have 4 separate tables.
Yes, yes.
So you will see the uch neech ka table and you will say that हाँ sun uch का है. But if you don't see the pakka ghar ka thing, you will never know that it is a bloody pakka ghar ka thing.
Right, right.
बराबर ना, ऐसा है वो. So we have made all this together so that we can basically make out everything at one go. उसके बाजू में if you see that like a dewdrop thing what I've done, that is a majorly simplified version and sure thing, like within 1 second you can tell कौन किसका मित्र है, कौन किसका दुश्मन है, कौन किसका समा है. And like I said yesterday, it is not just you and I are friends. You may be my friend, but I may be your enemy. As in, you may consider me as an enemy, I may consider you as a friend. तो इसका permutation combination ध्यान में रखने में तो गया काम से. तो वो सब ये करके I have simplified it into one truth. Once you see this, you say Venus and Mercury. Just उधर जाके देख लो. You either see Venus or you see Mercury. It's the same thing. So you see if the dot or how to read the dots. I will teach you next time. Just now I don't want to unnecessarily jump. So today, since it's the first turn, just read the chart and these 22 charts got 9 planets in these 4 categories, which needs Pakka Sam. Next time, then what I will do is I will first teach you the friends enemy wala chart, okay? Because once you realize that, once I show you the original chart and then I show you this, you'll understand how simplified this has become. If you just see the chart, it's going to take a huge amount of time to understand it. I spent almost 2 to 3 days trying to play with it with the Karak Tattva. Like I said, Mercury is glass and Jupiter is Hawa. So ये उसको उड़ा देगा तो this considers this as enemy like that. But then what happens is when you're analyzing and you're at this stage when you're just taking baby steps, it is going to be, your mind is going to get diverted. So what I thought was make things easy in life, keep it over there, and then parallelly you go. And after some time, अभी मेरे को already दिमाग में बैठने लगा है कि जुपिटर बोलेगा तो किस्मत, जुपिटर बोला तो हवा, जुपिटर बोला तो सांस, ये ब्रेथ, मर्क्यूरी बोला तो डॉटर, मर्क्यूरी बोला तो काज, वो सब in due course it starts becoming part of your psyche, and you are just going to be playing with those 9 planets, right? So it can't be so very difficult. What else you want to do?
So, what are we doing now? Are we doing these exercises? In
Just
our-
now don't do, because now you do it at
No.
your.
No, not now. Meaning, until we meet next time, what are we going to do? We are going to study each chart
Yes.
with its उच्च नीच वाला. तर ते लिहून काढायचं आहे का आपल्याला की we just have to see it आणि
It's not a homework, it is your duty, Matasarkar. So what I have made 22 charts for you, which are authentic real charts. I have got just to give you this thing, I am not showing the names, but I have got a nomenclature written over here. So इसमें 1, 2, 3, 4 ABCD किसका है वो नाम इसमें से दिखता है. I don't want to disclose that for privacy reasons, but whatever it is. So your duty is take chart number A or chart number 1, take it with a template and see कि अच्छा इसका वीनस 5वें घर में बैठा है तो वो क्या आता है, टंग 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 में आता है क्या, 1 2 3 4 आता है, ओ तो क्या आता है, ओके ये उच्च है. बस it is just for your mind to sort of connect with this and understand कि ये plan is finish. So when you do 22 like this and then you add on to it, then you add on to it, then you add on to it, it will become part of your psyche. That is how I study. I'm just sort of sharing it. You all have a better way. You are most welcome to share it. If it is better than this method, we will do that. But
I think this is the best thing. The more we do it, the more it will fix here.
I will tell you a simple method which I follow. I told you that day also, which I have done always in all my thing, in all my life. When somebody teaches me a thing. Okay? It is basically that person's perception and that person's limitation. If I am talking to you, I am talking within my limitations. Okay, if somebody else talks, they have a different dimension to it. Somebody else a different dimension. So what I do and what I'm doing, like I showed you those 4 or 5 books which I've got. When he talks of one topic, let's say Masnui Grah, he has spent this bit of 2 hours trying to explain to me what is Masnui Grah. Okay, then I will read from one book, I will read from the second book, I'll read from the third book, I'll read from the fourth book. So I'm not reading the full book at one time. I'm just reading that chapter 4 times, one PDF which I've got at the 5th time. This teacher teaching is the 6th time. The next one who's going to be teaching me from this Wednesday 7th time. 7 times plus my research on the net. So एक topic का 8 dimensions से I'm seeing. So after the 8 dimensions, I would have more or less touched all the facets in that thing, and then I make my notes. Which one? I'll just share it with you just for the heck of it. I'm sharing this chart. Can you see this now? So these are my notes. These are my notes. सोया ग्रह क्या है? एक ठप 2 लाइन में सोया ग्रह का explanation. He took 2 hours to explain सोया ग्रह. सोया ग्रह का explanation. It doesn't have a planet, and no planet is aspecting it. Simple. How difficult can it get? If a house, सोया घर house, वो घर में कोई planet नहीं है. That is condition 1. No planet is aspecting it. means 7वें दृष्टि 180 degrees के हाउस में let us say ये इधर empty है. Okay, let's say this house 7th number house is empty. So that is one condition fulfilled, that it is सोया कि उसके अंदर planet ही नहीं, कोई उसको है नहीं, and सामने के घर में भी कोई नहीं है उसको दृष्टि देने के लिए. तो ये हो गया. So like that then I make my notes. उसके उधर के उधर. You know, like this I have made around 8 pages. So that 16 hours ka work is in 8 short pages, simple, to the point and finished. You know, so if you read that, you have done that much bit. So as he teaches me, I attack it from 8 angles, and then I made my 9th angle, let us say. So what I will be doing is, I will be explaining these topics, and rather than you all wasting again your effort and energy on doing all the donkey work, I will just give you my notes. बस whatever I told you and whatever is there is as far as I know authentically उतना ही उसके आगे कुछ नहीं रहेगा. Normal, giving benefit of doubt. And again one very important thing, 3 pages you should have separately. One which I have already shared with you with the 9 planets here. उसके आगे लिखते जाओ. Every time we tell something, we discuss something, you write it down over there. Similarly on another page I'll make the template and give it to you of the 12 houses. Like 6th house is called Patal, 2nd house is called Temple. उसका थोड़ा अलग है, you know. So ये वो थोड़ा सा जरा thing is. So if you write it down, okay. So one is planets, one is houses, 2 most important facets of Lal Kitab, and third, like I said, the remedies. Suddenly book करके they give a remedy. Then it will go on for 20, 30, 40 pages. Book करके another remedy. अरे ऐसा क्यों किया? I didn't understand. But every time a remedy comes, we write it down, and we write it down with the justification. So, you know, you read it once, twice, thrice, then वो दिमाग में बैठ जाएगा. Like that. Understand? So these 3 pages you must have: planets, houses, and 1 page for remedies as we go along, and a 4th page for, you know, these notes what you are writing. When I mean a page, I mean a series of pages. Okay, how much ever it takes. So ये तो एक पेज में बैठ जाएगा, houses का एक पेज में बैठ जाएगा. Remedies के लिए you will need pages, and general notes के लिए you will need pages. ऐसा 4 sort of booklets बना दो and keep it separately. I have done it this way. And मेरा general notes I am writing in this way. So ideally, actually, I would have liked to write it in a note, but अभी इससे शुरू किया था, I've gone way ahead, so I'm not going back. But I anyways type it out. So you can write your own notes plus my notes. That will be anything you have to ask. I'm through with my discussion. You all can unmute and talk.
So it's like Manish went to the market, bought the milk, bought the ghee, bought the rice, sugar, lit the gas, सब करके खीर पकाया. हम खाली खीर खा रहे हैं.
I was about to invite the Kiri.
You forgot गाय को
And,
लेके आया, वो भी किया.
गाय को लेके आया. उसको राउंड मारा, चेरी के साथ उसको भी राउंड मारने लेके गया.
एंड सुप्रीति जी, हमको वो खीर खाने को भी टाइम लगेगा.
हाँ,
हम वो भी कंप्लेन करेंगे, बहुत गर्म है, बहुत ऐसी है, you know, we are like that.
That also I'll feed
हम
you if
उसको
you want,
खीर को
sir.
खाने को
That
भी-
also is going to feed us.
spoon
Yes.
feeding करेगा. Superb, it's superb.
Really.
This
I
is-
have
Seriously, I don't know from कितना एनर्जी है एक पिज्जा में, कितना कैलोरीज होता है, वो पूरा उसने यूज किया है पूरा.
Yeah, Preeti, when you're saying
16
something.
hours is like,
Preeti, you're saying something. What
yeah.
you're saying.
So what actually is absorbing the universal cosmic energies and working?
yes,
If you go to office 8 hours, how tired you are.
I know.
But if you're doing seva 8 hours, you're not tired because
Right.
there you plug into
Oh,
the
माहिती आहे. आलो, तर थांबा, मी
and that
विचारतो.
energy is working, not the physical calories.
Yes. Yes.
So I was telling him today, we both are crazy people. If somebody gives me something now, after 3 minutes, I have to deliver it. I can't sit के कल दूंगी, 1 घंटे के बाद. I'll drop everything, do that, then go ahead. That's what he did not today.
Yeah. Yeah.
I just made a small
yes,
suggestion.
yes,
In 10 minutes, he had our charts on the group.
And actually, group
Yes.
chart was Preeti Ben's idea. That because then you can relate to your own chart, which I had not
yes.
thought of. So when you banana,
Very good.
That
Yes.
was a good idea.
Then only we'll understand, no?
Yeah. Yeah, that is very important, because then you can, who knows your life more than you yourself.
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
and you can be honest to yourself. That is the most important. But again, I'm repeating what I said at the starting. This is a fantastic tool, and I feel we are genuinely blessed to actually have got access to it. Because many people across different senior people in this line have said that you cannot learn Lal Kitab. If Lal Kitab wants you to learn, it will compete.
Yes.
Something like that, which Preeti ji will explain better. But this is the concept. So if Lal Kitab has come to us, rather Lal Kitab has pulled us to it. ऐसा बोल सकते हो, ऐसा।
Chosen you.
In fact, you are the one who has been pulled into Lal Kitab, and you're, sort of
Yes.
sharing it with all of us.
ये इंजन है, हम
So-
लोग सब डब्बे हैं उसके पीछे पीछे destination पे पहुंचेंगे.
But one thing in Lal Kitab, there are lots of sermons जैसा बोलते हैं, कि उनका
Yeah.
उसका एक main thing है, which is very important thing, is that Lal Kitab will work for you only if you become a good human being. लालच या all the bad things, all that, एक करके निकाल लो. So,
Predictions go wrong then.
predictions go wrong and Lal Kitab won't work for you, ऐसे बोलते हैं. So मेरा एक frankly, I'm just sharing this with y'all. You all know me for so many years, but you all don't know me the way I really am. I'm very short-tempered because I cannot see injustice. I cannot see somebody doing some hodgepodge thing. I cannot see anybody telling a lie to just to get something like that. So if a child breaks something, I'll say, oh, like that, but I'll not get angry. But if somebody does cheating or this thing, I see red. I just see blood over there. So now I'm trying to control that also. Like servants, कुछ करे ठम करके कर तो तोड़ते हैं, and they say no, I didn't break, and I can see on my CCTV over that open. So then I get angry. ऐसे जाने तो उसका वो भोगने वाले, मैं क्यों माका फूल, So anyways, the main thing of our Lal Kitab is that they say that first become a good human being, then only it will start working for you. So whether it is a superstition or what, let's be good human beings.
No, it's
अपने
true,
को क्या
it's
हाँ, it's true. Because if you're trying to help somebody and you yourself are a drunkard, then what will you help somebody? You might as well be a good person, good clean person, then only will you be able to extend a hand which somebody can grab. नहीं तो पहले हाथ थरता रहा होगा तो क्या पकड़ो, उंगली पकड़ो, हाथ पकड़ो, क्या पकड़ो, ऐसा हो जाएगा. That is what.
So actually ये जो मोहम्मद prophet है ना, मोहम्मद prophet, till the age of 40 years he was an ordinary man, साधारण.
अच्छा.
उसके पास कोई ज्ञान गुण कुछ नहीं था.
अच्छा.
At the age of 40 he went on the mountain.
हाँ.
When they meet, they hug like this one and like this, दो
Yeah.
तरफ.
हाँ.
So Sina dar Sina means if my heart is on my left,
हाँ.
so if I hug you like this way,
हाँ.
your heart and my heart will meet, na?
हाँ.
Yes.
So they meet like this and like this, two ways.
अच्छा.
So Sina dar Sina, God
I.
One minute, we'll wait for him.
I just want to add that I'm going to request him to, you remember that he told us about the do and don'ts of the Lal Kitab.
Yes.
Let him elaborate that also, because we are not aware of it.
So actually, I have the original old 1941 ka book.
Oh, really?
The original one. It is so horrible. You need like real magnifying glasses to read it, you know. इतना वो बहुत ही ये है. पर उस यही what he told, only 4 rules to be good. Don't predict death. Don't predict gender of the child. Manish. So I was saying that, you know what happened? The knowledge got transmuted to him directly. Sina dar Sina, heart to heart. And the next day he was a prophet. And the next day he started preaching.
Achha.
Yeah, that's what. So
But whom did he hug? But basically,
the Supreme.
Achha, achha. Okay.
Similarly, Moses, he went to the mountain and he came back enlightened.
Correct.
Burning bush.
Correct.
Burning bush, kuch nahi, light. Light is Jnana, Jyoti. What happened in Lal Kitab also? This Rupchand got the what this story says, Vicky says ke Persia or idhar udhar. Lekin where is astrology in Persia? It got transmuted to him like this way.
Possible.
And you know what happens when you are getting when you get channels, no? Channeling. I'm experientially telling you, I think I shared with you, Manish, when you were at my place. One bit of knowledge comes in 1996. Second part comes in 1981. Third part comes in 2004. So as it comes, I keep on writing down. If you will look at my diaries over the years, they make no sense. As you said, no, either likha hai, fir remedy udhar hai. But then somebody like you comes and उसको ठीक करते हैं. जैसे वेद व्यास आके पूरा वेदा को 4 भाग किया ना. Till then all Vedas were one only, no, one huge tome.
Correct.
So God has given you that function to make this systematically उसको बनाना.
To streamline it.
We're all in it together. So that is.
And you will be able to do it. Yes.
Absolutely.
Anyway, so what we'll do is, ये week के लिए I think this is enough. Unless you all want me to show you that friendship thing and you all just keep on reading it. Do you want me to? I can tell you in 2 minutes. If that friendship thing, then you all want me to tell you that friendship enmity ka that tabulation how it is.
Yeah, you can tell.
Because then full week other you just need doing this one. I will share this one. So basically, the way you have to read this is, you just look at, let us say Sun and let us say Mercury. Okay, Sun dekho or Mercury dekho, and same thing we'll see Mercury, Sun also. Now look at these as arrows, and look at this as an arrowhead. So this is an arrow and this is an arrowhead. This is an arrow and this is an arrowhead. Okay. So this arrowhead is basically shot by Sun to this guy, and this arrow with the arrowhead, instead of an arrowhead, I will put a dot over there. So this is an arrow which is shot by Mercury to this guy. Okay. So it is kaise, if let us say this is me and this is you, and it is as if I am extending my hand to you, or I am extending an arrow to you. What is this arrow of? Green is friendship. Red is enmity, blue is neutral. So I am extending my hand which has got friendship in it. But you are extending a hand to me which is Sama. Tu aur main barabar hai, na friend na hai. Now friendship, enmity and Sama in simple words like what I said yesterday is, in 100 people that you meet in your office or college or society or whatever it is, there will be one category which will come running to you, hug you or shake hands with you and hello, hi, done. One will be there कि सामने देखा तो मुंह फेर के निकल गया दूसरे भाई, and another will be hi, good morning and all. So that is friendship, enmity and Sama in simple words. Understood? That is very simple. So again coming to this chart, I will just take a couple of them and tell you. Sun और Mercury का क्या relation है? The Sun is extending a hand. Let's call it a hand. Forget arrow. With friendship in the hand. So Sun considers Mercury as its friend. Mercury considers Sun Sama, equal. So Mercury is extending a hand of neutral to it because Mercury is considering Sun Sama. Okay. Now same thing you see over here. If you see the same thing in Mercury, Mercury and Sun. Now, what I've done is Sun, Moon, Jupiter, Mars, Venus, Mercury, Rahu, Ketu, same rakha hai. So everywhere you will get the same thing. Earlier it was all staggered, then I made it all together. So if you want to see, so Mercury and kya tha? Sun tha na? So Mercury is extending a hand of neutral to Sun, and Sun is extending a hand of friendship to Mercury. Same thing, upar tha, niche tha. So what I say is that if you're doing some analysis here and you want to see Sun Mercury का, ये Mercury का आ गया तो इधर पकड़ लो, Sun पे आ गया तो इधर पकड़ लो. It's the same thing. ऐसा देखो क्या, ऐसा देखो, the dots will remain the same. So you know the tabulation was, I'll show you the original tabulation, then you'll understand. Can you all see this chart now which I opened?
Yeah, yeah.
This is the chart which you are supposed to memorize. Mercury is neutral to Sun. Sun considers this, वो इधर नहीं आता. Then you have to see here कि इधर Mercury है. So Sun considers friend of Mercury. I don't know how complicated it gets. To by heart this thing is almost like a difficult task. Like for example, Sun Mercury अभी किया ना अपने. So Mercury considers neutral of Sun, or Mercury considers neutral. Mercury considers Sun as neutral. ऐसा पकड़ लो, ऐसा पकड़. Mercury considers Sun as neutral, but Sun का Mercury का देखने के लिए इधर जाना पड़ेगा कि Sun considers Mercury as a friend. It is like this, उल्टा साथ ऐसा पकड़ लो. You know, I'll just draw it for you. ये this is just now, it has just come to my mind. It's not the right way. Sun considers Mercury as a friend. Mercury considers Sun as neutral. समझ में आया ऐसा? ऐसा this is how you read this chart. Now if you have to buy heart, it gets a little complex. Like for example, let's take some orbit, Moon and Mercury लेते हैं, okay, orbit. So Moon considers Mercury as enemy. अभी इधर Mercury considers Moon as friend. Okay, ये जरा ध्यान में रखो. और अभी इधर सॉरी वो चार्ट गया है. ये ध्यान में है ना? चाहे तो एक लिख ले. Shruti, just write down. Moon, just write down in words only. Moon considers Mercury as enemy. Shorthand में देखिए. And Mercury considers Moon as friend. Okay. अभी ये simple thing, if you see in our chart, कौन सा भी एक पकड़ लो, ये ले Moon. Okay. So कौन सा Moon and Mercury था ना?
Yeah.
So Moon and Mercury. Moon considers Mercury as enemy.
Yeah.
Mercury considers Moon as friend. Is that the same thing I said?
Yes, yes.
I checked it on the chart when we were talking.
This is कितनी simple है इकडे.
Oh.
So that tabulation के पहले this makes sense. Ting tong ting हो गया. अभी ये भी जो tabulation है ना, this is the Masnui Grah. I have still not got time, but basically if you go to see, I will need the help of the color क्या बोलते हैं, wheel for that, because Jupiter is yellow, Sun is golden bronze color, and Venus is silver. Whether these two mix together give yellow, वो देखना है मेरे को. Like Sun is golden, or let us say orange, Mercury is green, and Venus is silverish off-white. So ये दोनों, you know, whether these colors mix to give this. मेरे को ऐसा generally लग रहा है कि wheel में that, you know, the color wheel which you have got.
Yes, yes, yes.
If this and this you mix, you get this, the triangle.
Right.
ये दो mix किया तो ये आ जाता है. So I am going to experiment on that. If that works, which I am quite sure it will work, then I will just put a color wheel over here. You understand what I am saying?
Yeah, yeah.
Like for example, Jupiter is yellow, Rahu is blue. Okay, so yellow and blue, does it make
Makes green? Yes, yes, it does.
That is the triangle of the color wheel, which I have not experimented just now.
It does, it does.
Saturn is, for example, Saturn is red and Mars is red and Saturn is blackish brown. So
Blue.
Put that together, does it become blue? वो देखना है. So if it becomes, then in the color wheel it will be a triangle. So anywhere you connect, ये plus ये हो जाएगा, ये plus ये हो जाएगा. So you know, if you want to know Saturn, then Saturn will be this. As I'm just doing what I'm trying to tell you. ये जैसे simplify किया ना, ऐसे ये भी simplify हो जाएगा. It's something like that. You understand? And this entire chart, I was experimenting. I had made something. I'll just show you. I was doing this.
Oh my God.
This entire thing, ये तो background है. इधर से arrow से भी मालूम पड़ जाता था. तो इतने इसमें भी वो हो सकता है. But then I think वो जरा थोड़ा इधर कटी पतंग हो जाएगा इधर उधर. So it is better that we stick to that earlier one. I was doing a lot of experiments this way. These are all my experiments. If you go to see all this, or by experiment that I keep doing only Lal Kitab ka, these are the experiments. So anyways, so this is what it is. So as we go along, I will keep sharing the notes pertaining to that, because if I give everything, then it will become confusing. Okay, you know? Anything you want to ask, say anything, we can wrap up. For a घंटा ही I had said 15 minutes, but I thought as much. Starting only I told you that time.
Yeah.
Done? Okay,
Yes.
should we wrap up then?
Yes.
Sure.
Chalo, कुछ है तो you
Sure,
all write
sir.
on the group.
Of course, we'll call you. Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Guruji,
You.
Bye bye.
Guruji,
Bye.
good night.
Bye bye. Good night, everybody.